See this next beautiful purple color, lavender color addition. As well, you can see the neck area. You can see this beautiful thread work. You can see the double patching work on the sleeves, and you can see this pure cotton fabric. This is going to be in the coffee and blue color, and you can see the neck area as well. This is going to be very beautiful. Along with it, you are going to get this type of pants. You can see these beautiful pants and the maybe you're wondering what I am doing. So today I have brought you collection very beautiful, and it's going to be under 400 rupees. Yes, you heard it right. You can see these beautiful pure cotton 60 by 60 cotton range on the table. I'm going to show you every collection one by one. If you want to see this collection, don't skip this video, watch till the end. So let's talk about the first collection. You can see this beautiful mehendi green color. As well, you can see the neck area. You can see this beautiful thread designing on the neck area. Along with it, you are going to get these type of pants. You can see these beautiful pants along with it. And if you want to buy this collection for your shop, for your boutique, or you're owning a new business, this collection is just for you. You can see this beautiful collection along with a proper 2.5 meter dupatta. You can see this beautiful collection. And if you want to order this collection, you can directly take a screenshot. In one bunch, you are going to get M, L, XL, double XL, same color, same design. And if you want to order, so you can see the number on the screen. Call now, order now, or video call us. You can see this next beautiful purple color, lavender color addition. As well, you can see the neck area. You can see this beautiful thread work. You can see the double patching work on the sleeves, and you can see this pure cotton fabric, and this is going to be in proper 60 by 60 cotton. If you want to order all these collection for your shop, for your boutique, you can order it now. You can see the pant as well. This is going to be in the contrast matching pants, and in this you are going to get proper 2.5 meter shawl dupatta. You can see this proper 2.5 meter. So you're liking this collection. I know you are liking this collection. So you have to do only one thing. You have to order it. If you're watching this video internationally, maybe from USA, Mauritius, Sri Lanka, Nepal, anywhere from the world, you can order this collection. International shipping is also available. You can see this next color as well. You can see this beautiful green color collection, and all these collection are under 400 rupees. In this also, you are going to get these type of contrast matching pants. Along with, you are going to get proper 2.5 meter dupatta. This is going to be proper long dupatta, shawl type pattern dupatta. You can see this beautiful collection. You are loving this collection. If you're loving this collection, liking this collection, you can see the number on the screen. You can directly call us, WhatsApp us, and you are not going to get one piece. All these collection are set wise. In one bunch, you are going to get 4 pieces. You can see this next collection as well. This is going to be in the coffee and blue color, and you can see the neck area as well. This is going to be very beautiful. Along with it, you are going to get this type of pants. You can see these beautiful pants and the dupatta as well. If you are liking this collection, I am telling you again and again, you can directly call us, WhatsApp us, and order this collection just for you. So if you're new to this channel, you're liking these collection, we have cords, tunics, kurtis, everything in one roof. So you can order all these collection. Now next collection, you can see it's going to be in the batik printing. You can see how beautiful this collection is. All these collection are under 400 rupees. So don't miss your time. If you're owning a boutique, shop, or a new business, this collection, all these collections are just for you. Last collection, should I show it here? No, I'm not going to show it to you. I'm going to show it here. You can see it proper 2.5 meter dupatta, proper big shawl length dupatta. Along with the neck area, you can see the proper sequence work. Very breathable fabric, cotton fabric, especially for summers. And if you want to order all these collection, you can see the number on the screen. Order it now. And this is your channel. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.